Maybe you're thinking about upgrading your torch hardware to a Jazzy tin ceramic or Furic clear cup.
How do you know what style TIG torch you have? How do you know if this kit will fit your torch? This quick video should help clear things up. Let's do it.
If you're looking to upgrade from the standard torch hardware that comes with most TIG torches, you want to be sure that it's going to fit your torch. So how do you know? There are so many different brands, so many different numbers, it can get confusing. These are all 17, 18, 26 style torched. It doesn't matter what number, it doesn't matter what brand. If your hardware looks like this, you have a 17, 18, 26 style torch. This Furic adapter kit for 17, 18, 26 style torches will make the Furic cups work with your torch, if that's what you have. That's another picture of it there. It's got two black insulators that come with it. Slightly different. One of them will fit. Now, there's nothing really wrong with the standard hardware that comes with them. It's a bit long. The long tail is a bit long for real work. It's good for practice. Even when you shorten it up with a little button on the end, you can only shorten it up so much. But to get better gas shielding, as well as just shorten up the overall length of the torch, this adapter kit will do it. You just swap out the white insulator with this different one here. Install the collet and collet body gas lens. I'm removing the O-ring because the ceramic cups are threaded and they don't need an O-ring, and I'll just thread it on just like I would any ceramic cup. If you want to swap back to a clear Furic cup, just put the O-ring back on, moisten it, slide any clear cup over it just like that. And that takes a 17 torch and makes it much more usable. You get better gas shielding and you can use a longer stick out. 9 and 20 style torches are a little bit smaller. They use a smaller collet body, not even an inch long. So if your hardware looks like this, you've got a 9 or a 20 style TIG torch. Could be air cooled, could be water cooled. They both use the same hardware. If you have a 9 or 20 style torch, all you need is this gas lens. It's a 45V44 part number for the 332 option. 332 is the most versatile size electrode, and that'll let you just thread a Jazzy tin ceramic on there with no problem. And you can always swap back to a clear cup. As you can see, I slipped the O-ring down on the base of the gas lens, moisten it. Now I'm ready to slip on a Jazzy tin cup or other clear cup. And for convenience, we put together a couple of combo kits, one for each torch type, that has a ceramic cup as well as a clear Jazzy tin cup. Sometimes the job calls for one or the other, and it's really easy to swap back and forth. Once you have the adapter kit or the 45V44 gas lens, it opens up a lot of other options to you for other Furic cups. This is an 8 Pro cup, and you can really see here how it's lighting everything up, and you can see every detail around you, where you're going, where you've been, things that might be in your way. So once again, if your hardware looks like this, you have a 17, 18, 26 style, and you need a Furic adapter kit to make the Furic cups work. If your hardware looks like this, you have a 920 style, and all you need is the 45V44 to make it work. Or maybe the more convenient way is to just get a combo kit that's got everything you need. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.